Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable projector screen that this brand sent to me for the video. And I have to say that this could be really good either if you don't have a white wall in your house or something like that, if you don't have like a clear wall. So for example, in my house, we don't have a clear wall. We have big windows, we have a floor to ceiling windows. We also have walls with a TV and lights and some more windows. So we don't have that. So for indoors, you can actually use this, but also I do believe that this could be really good to take with you on the go if you're going out for like vacations, for example, if you're going out to friends and family houses for a birthday party, for an event or something like that, because this kit, which actually comes with this carry-on bag, so you can put everything in this carry-on bag, which is super convenient. But this kit goes up to 120 inches. So that's actually quite big, I have to say, for a projector. So that's really good. I have a projector outside, which is on a tripod, so we're gonna try it with that. But the bottom line is that it comes with everything you need. It comes with the fabric right here, which is black on the outside, but it's white on the inside. And then also it comes right here with the legs, the tripod, which is, you can see that there's kind of like four shaped legs. So we're gonna put everything in here so it's more firm and stable. It also comes with the instruction manuals on how to assemble the actual kind of like frame. It's not gonna take you more than 10 or 15 minutes tops. I think it's gonna be like 15 minutes. And then it comes with part A, B, and C, actually part A, B, and B. That's how you're gonna follow the instructions to get the frame ready. And then some other things like, for example, the rope and some stakes that you can put in the ground if you need. So let's actually go outside, build this one up, and I'm gonna fast forward to the actual screen, and then we're gonna come back at night so you can actually see it projecting. So in my case, I'm not gonna use them, but it comes with a series of things that you can use to secure it to the ground. For example, all these ropes and all these stakes, so you can actually, in case that, for example, you put it in the grass and like in a park or your patio or something like that, you can actually use all this one to secure it to the ground. So that's actually pretty good. But in my case, I'm not going to use it since I have kind of like tiles and I don't have any grass in my patio. So as you can see over here, I have it fully extended. You can see that it's pretty easy to put together. You only put the tripod with the four legs, set up the height that you want to have it with the actual Velcro stuff. So you're gonna do Velcro all here to the sides, Velcro with all the straps, and there, like on the upper part, it comes with a loop, so you can actually pull kind of like the pipe that is gonna be over there, the frame, the plastic frame, all over the fabric. And then you're gonna use those L shapes and kind of like arm right here the frame that you're gonna use with the tripod. So basically it's kind of like an H, I want to say, like an H shape. So you're gonna use the tripod to extend it up to the of course the maximum height and maximum stretch. So let's actually wait till night so you can see how good this one is with the projector at night. So then you can see how good it looks at night. You can see that it's a pretty big screen. Right now we are projecting 85 inches, and you can see that there's still room for more to grow, so you can actually go beyond that. In this case, I have it connected with my laptop over here, so it's super easy to use. Once you have it connected with your projector, you just extend it and don't worry about anything else. But one more time, really easy to use, and of course to extend it with the tripod was going to give you a really nice setup that you can actually take with you on the go as a portable projector screen. This is super good to take for camping trips or just the beach and watch a movie in your patio like we're doing right now with the projector over here and setting up the perfect atmosphere for a fun night with a movie outside. I like it, super easy to use, recommended and convenient, and of course you have multiple ways to protect it from the wind and have like a really nice kind of like movie at night outside or indoors as well. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.